Hi friends, I'm here with the new video of basic of fleets in human resource. So HR will managing the fleets, the expenses, how the employees would come to the company, when they are going, how they are going, what are the cars are registered, how much maintenance required for the car. So managing fleet for the organization, it's really important part for and managing the fleet it's really difficult task. So Flectra introduced a new feature fleet which can helpful to manage the fleets. So let's just understand how the fleet works with the Flectra. So this is the Flectra database. You directly need to go to the fleet just from here. So these are the registered card already into the database. You can create your own vehicle from here. Like what are the models and all. So let's just say Audi 8. You can write it down any of the number plates. You can create or you can change the manufacturer as well from here only. Let's just say Alpha 8. So you can write it down just like that. You can add the driver name like who is going to drive that car. If he is for the employee, if the organization give it to the employee, you can write it on the employee's name as well. What are the mobility, what are the assignment states. You can write it down each of the details for the models. Let's just discard it right now. Let's just go with Audi. You need to edit. You can see that every single detail would be added into the database already. This is the manager of the contract who is responsible to give it to it. What are the engines, whether it is a manual or automatic, you can edit directly from here. It is really simple. What are the last odometer reading, you can write it down up here as well. Whether it is in kilometer or meter, you can edit everything from here. So this is the driver history for the particular car, like who had driven on the E1 before the new driver assigned. You can directly see it from here. These are the attachment with it. What are the contacts of the driver, you can get it from here only. These are the service, like how many times the Audi E1 is serviced. If there are new service required for it, you can directly create it from here. What description, who is going to repair it, what are the cost it of, less, and just save it. So that is how the service will be added to particular car. These are the odometer ratings. You can create the own odometer ratings as per the dates and everything. You can see it up here. It is really easy to understand it, to manage the fleet as well. You can get like how many vehicles do you have, you can see it directly from here. What are the contracts are there with the vehicles, you can get it. What are the expired, it will come into the red signal. Okay, what are the services has been done till now, you can see it directly from here. It's done. What are the cost, you can directly assume the cost, directly manage the cost as well from here. You can get the report of the cost as well, like in which month what how much cost will occur during the fleet. So you can get it directly from here. You can change the view of the report as well, like in a line bar or in a pie chart. If you wanted to like hide some of the months, you can directly hide it just by clicking on the month. It will gone. Really simple. In configuration, you can get the manufacturing details as well, like who are the manufacturing with us. So these all are the manufacturers of the car, automobiles. You can get it, and which manufacturer registered how many cars with the organization. You'll get it as well from here. Like Audi manufacturer of Audi get 11 model with the organization. You can get the vehicle model as well directly from here. Like what are the models you have. If you wanted to delete out, you just need to click it, action it. You can delete it or you can achieve it as well. So this is how the fleet will be managed with the Flectra. Thank you very much.